fine.
Down on there.
Yep.
Where's my hammer? Oh, turn around and get behind you. It's on that. Turn around. See it? Oh, that's why this ain't going on there good. It's not in the right place on there. Hand me my hammer.
Well, I had to let go of it.
It don't matter. It's been that way ever since. Fix that. Where's it sitting right? Okay.
Well, definitely must stop the bugs. I know you didn't. Shame on you, because I didn't do that.
No, I'm saying I was trying to clarify.
Well, other than that being just dirtier and mopped up as piss,
I'm sorry.
looks pretty good.
Gee, thanks.
What?
That stuff is blood right in my face.
You can't do construction without getting a little bit dirty. It'll hug that ridge and be perfect.
Now,
Shoot, yeah.
did you notice that that HD color? It's got that texture. Yeah, I think it makes it look good instead of shiny. But the
Makes
problem,
dirt stick to it real
that's
good.
what I started saying. But the downside is the dirt sticks to it really bad.
Oh my gosh.
Really bad. That was 2 fingers.
And another thing that you might like better is if you'll go ahead now and put that thing in high speed instead of
No,
low. It'll just
I like it.
right on. Come on, Margaret, let's get another piece.
I don't
We'll
think
keep
another.
him busy.
I don't think another piece will fit there, will it? With the rack guard.
Yeah. One
Okay.
more.
Well, let's go get another one.
Margaret, you need to hold this ladder.
That's on right there. If you can nail it right there.
All right,
But
I
see
got
what
you.
worries me, it got a little buckle.
Well, you need to go back over that over your ladder and tie it down.
All right, I got it.
I hate trying to judge this when I don't have this metal down tight.
Well, you want to come down and move the ladder and tighten it down? You can always take that screw back out.
Is it level?
It's a little. I mean, it's just it's level. That's good.
It's yeah.
Now this one's coming. Come back to the store. Drop one down there. 15 cents. 2 of them. I actually see 2 of them. Hey. I don't know what they are today.
Huh?
I don't know how much they are for today. 15 cents sounds pretty close. Well, these are supposed to be stainless steel. No problem with they probably ain't in stainless steel.
No, they upcharge you because you wanted it.
Yeah.
They're galvanized. No, it could be stainless. That's convenient that that's a 1/4 inch driver without a bit in it.
Yeah.
You got the time?
Did you have the time or she didn't?
She did.
Oh.
I'm not real worried about it at this point. I'll stick around a little while longer. I don't know why you did that.
Why?
Because it's not center of them two ribs. It's to the right. Can't believe that. There you go.
I know this ain't where you want it.
No, I'm okay with it now. I've decided it's okay.
That's where I'm going with it. Did you find them two I dropped?
I found one of them.
That was the freaking the
Okay,
zip.
yeah.
What do you think?
Metal goes up fast. If I could ever get up to start metal at my place, it'd be covered.
Yep, really quick.
Oh wow, I didn't get that right. Oh, whoa.
Always top it. Wayne wouldn't let it. I'm like, Bodie needs the ladder back a little bit. Should go up that one. When you're like that, just trying to help you out.
This is on the back of the
That's true.
I don't know, I think I got about those more bags in there.
They probably gave you what you need and you said give me 4 more bags.
Exactly.
I did buy 6 extra bags to do the roof. But we put some screws in the roof.
You ain't got to worry about the wind blowing it.
Good thing the curbs are 6 inches. But this one over here, it's going to be about the top.
Now, how you tie that?
We don't.
Well,
It's in between these. You just screw it on there, and then we'll take 3/4. Put the screw through 3/4. And then this end here, we're going to put a 2x2 on the end of this, and then the board will stab under the end and go screw it to the bottom of the 2x4. Now, their kit, they didn't have anything designed for sockets in their kit.
that very top one screw. That very top one screw. You'd be better off leaving those screws out, and then you put your 3/4 in there. It'd be flat.
Now, I'll pull them back out, and I don't want to leave them loose now because we're supposed to have high winds this weekend. So, I just don't want to.
I mean, I could do it. Grab a hold right there.
Or you come in here and the top's folded out.
Yeah. And it hurts when you do it like that. My neck is on.
It hurts from holding up your gun. My neck hurts, my shoulder hurts. Alright, let's try this one. No. I can't believe it. burst into us? You gotta make sure because it'll bow, and then it'll never up.
Okay. It needs, the bubble needs to go back.
It's lined up. It's overlapped.
Now, am I supposed to be measuring right here on the corner?
Well, like I said, first off, if part up in the groove, it'll mess you up.
It's off a little bit. And everything else will be off.
They figure it's off a little bit.
But you push that further out when you flatten it.
That's good enough.
Did you get a piece that's scratched? Look,
Maybe.
that was scratched.
Well, I bet you there's more than that that's scratched. Now, I can't watch back behind me on that. Be careful. Huh?
We're on top of each other looking at how they got scratched. Break it! That's tire too. Don't even start about the tires.
Nobody's gonna ask, I ain't gonna lie.
So guys, what do you think about this color? We didn't want to go with the shiny red. This is HD red. And so, leave a comment and tell me what you think about it. I just don't like the shiny red. It just looks too much out there, or whatever you can call it. Yeah, we don't want a bling barn.
Just a barn.
Even though we're going to live in here for a little while until we start in our house.
You holding that?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, there's another one.
That's all right. I see it. I'll pick them up when we move.
Hope you're done cleaning up. You got it.
Yeah, I got it, Bill. I got that thing on now.
So here's one. Yeah, we know this one. I got it off the nail until I get the nail in.
Okay, but you don't have to hammer it the first time. That's good. Get your finger out of the way. How many nails are you supposed to have in the front? Just three, where people get them.
Go ahead and get me. Just pick them out. Go ahead and put a
Just a couple of nails.
another one on. At least.
Why don't you put a nail in right here? There you go.
You're happy.
I just don't think three is enough
Okay.
because they're so long.